Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first things first guys, of course you want to just open up the app. And now here first, okay, so you can either open booster packs, and if you don't have any booster packs guys, what you can do is you can actually, let me turn back right here. So it says my next booster, my next pack is in 11 hours 38 minutes. So if you don't want to wait that long, you can just use the Hourglass feature. So you just tap on this right here, and it says pack Hourglass, which will reduce the time to get pack stamina, right? It'll help you open up a booster pack right here and much faster. So you can come here and you can click on X for now, but basically what's going to happen is, since I already have a booster right there, and if you can open up a pack, and if you have used up all your opens, it's automatically going to give you the option here to claim it or use your, for example, 12 pack Hourglass, and that's going to reduce the time which is going to be required to actually open up the pack, and you can just essentially open up a pack that way. Hopefully guys this answers your questions, and until next time guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can comment here as click as well. Make sure you like, comment if you're still having trouble, and of course guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video. It's literally that easy and simple guys. Come on, subscribe.